So I will welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken a very simple question in number theory, but it is very basic concept. Compute the largest prime divisor of 15 factorial minus 13 factorial. So we know what is a factorial. Factorial means you have to take a product of 1 to that number, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to you reach the number, that is your factorial. So 13 factorial means 13 factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 up to 11 into 12 into 13. So it has the factor 3. Highest factor is 3. Question is we have to find the largest factor of this. So 13 factorial has highest prime factor 3. But this is not the answer, because though 15 factorial has your 13 common factor, but it's not the highest. Why? Let us see. 15 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 5 up to 12, 13, 14, 15. Here also the highest is 13, but if you take the subtraction, it won't be this. So let us see. So 15 factorial minus 13 factorial can be written as 15 factorial. I can write 13 factorial into 14 into 15 minus 13 factorial. So from these two, I can take 13 factorial outside. So I'll get 14 into 15 minus 1. Now let us multiply 14 into 15. It will be 10 minus 1. 210 minus 1 equals to your 219. Now let us see whether it has some prime factors more than or bigger than 13. 11 nines are 11 1 11 9 9 11 19. So you are getting 19. 19. So 209 equal to your what? 11 into 19. So 19 is the highest factor. So 19 is the highest factor time divisor of 15 factorial minus 13 factorial. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel. So please keep on watching, keep on learning.